Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Juan and Josh is on his way. We are going to be detailing our engine base today to the Mazda and the Silverado. Consider subscribing if you haven't. We have a lot of new projects on the way, so let's get to it.
All right guys, so we got both vehicles ready to undergo a detailing in the engine bay. We're gonna head to Walmart right now and pick up some supplies.
You know what guys, never mind, you know what, screw the Silverado. I just got this brand new one, might as well, who cares. Psych, it's my sister's truck.
Good old Wally World. Now to just find parking.
There's one right here. I told him to wait for me right here.
Oh, you can reserve spots at Walmart now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, so these are the tools that we're going to be using for today's engine detailing. We got the Purple Power, cheap and works really good. We got some Chemical Guys APC. This will be for afterwards, to shine it up and make it look nice. Some more degreaser and soap and water. Some brushes to help you agitate that dirt out of the nasty places.
The air compressor for we can just blow everything out of there. And then this is what we bought in Walmart, just that. And a couple of brushes and gloves, just for our hands to stay clean. But yeah, let's get to the before here.
Open up, you OPN, bitch you won't BBM, we should be closer than friends, if you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda, request my chariot to get ya.
And this is the before of the Mazda. You guys can see we have some gunk done in there. Alright guys, now when you're rinsing down the engine bay, you don't want to direct the water at the alternator, and you don't want to soak the battery. I mean, if it makes you feel more comfortable, you can go ahead and put a bag over the alternator and over the battery, but you really don't have to worry, as long as it's not like a pressure washer spraying directly into the alternator or the battery or any wires.
There's just some people that we don't give up. Fucking egg, man.
Right in there. It's all good. Guys, all I'm doing here, I'm taking some soap and water right here. This is some soap and water and a brush. We want to spray, you know, in the congested dirt areas, anywhere else that you please. But you want to just take the brush, agitate the dirt. You don't want to spend too much time doing this because then the dirt and the water will dry up and then it's like you didn't do anything. So, you know, you got to be quick, get it done, you know. And then the dirt won't have it. Oh wow, look at that. This is sitting right here out of view where you guys can't see. This has been sitting there since the last video. Look what I just found, bro. This has been there since the last video.
The other day when I was taking my toolbox
from the gasket video.
Yeah, I was like, where did this go? I'm missing it. It was right there, huh?
Right here.
Dang. Just chill.
So I was watching, looking on our analytics on YouTube, and more than half of you guys that are watching are not subscribed. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on so you never miss a new video.
Check out that. That was way better than what we started with, and it just shows that you can do it without common household items. If you take a look, we're just, you know, a few degreasers. I even use dish soap, so you know that worked perfectly good.
Oh yeah, it's coming out real nice. Usually all you need is a dry microfiber to wipe the window down and it'll clean. Rain-X.
Not sponsored, but you know.
It's the good stuff. Makes that water.
Holy shit. Well, you're Mexican? What a little bit of spit ever do to you? No manches, güey. Bebecito, compa. ¿Qué rollo? you guys, well, thank you for watching. That was our detail engine bay video. And make sure to comment and subscribe if you haven't, and leave any comments that you think. We are just regular people, and we're not experts at detailing.
Definitely
but
not.
you know, we're doing it, we're whipping it.